Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So today we are going to talk about operators. So operators are the symbols which is tells the compilers that what operations needed to be done within an instruction. So guys, operators are classified into three types. First of all, the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are the basic operators of mathematical operations like sum, like plus, minus, into, divided by, or percentage means here after dividing a value, after dividing two values, the left hand operator and the right hand operand, it will return the remainder. And plus means it will add two operands, and minus means it will subtract two operands. And the star symbol means it will multiply the both operands. And the division operator, it divides the both operands and returns the quotient. And here the percentage, it will divide the both operands and returns the remainder. So guys, plus means increment, it will increment a value. If you give 5, so it will increment it to the 6, like this is a decrement operator, exactly opposite like the increment. If you give value 7, it will decrement it and make it 6. So guys, this second type of classification which we have made is the relational operator. So guys, relational operator shows relations between both the operands, whether the both are equal or not, whether one is lesser than another or greater than another. So guys, this type of relations can be defined by relational operators. So let us see some relational operators. The first one is equality operator. So here we use double equal symbol to show that whether both the operands, left hand side operands and right hand side operands, are equal or not. If it is equal, then it returns 1. If it is not equal, then it returns 0, which 1 means true and 0 means false. And guys, not equal to operator, it is exactly opposite like equal to operator. If both operands are not equal, then it will return true. True means 1. And if both operator are equal, then it will return false. False means 0. So guys, here we use also greater than operator to check whether left hand side operand is greater than right side or not. And the lesser than, which is exactly opposite like greater than, it will show you that left hand operator is lesser than right hand operator or not. If it is lesser than right hand operator, that it will return the 1, and if it is not, then it will return the 0, where 0 means false and 1 means true. So guys, it is greater than or equal to. Here we use two symbols, one is greater than and second one is equal to. So it must be greater than or it must be equal. So if the both conditions, if any one gets true, then the output will also get true. So guys, it is another one which is lesser than or equal to. It is exactly opposite like greater than or equal to. So the third one operator which we use in C is logical operator. Logical operator also acts like same. If it is true, then it will return the value 1, and if the condition got false, then it will return the value 0. So guys, there are only three types of logical operators. One is AND, second one is OR, and third one is NOT. So guys, let us talk about AND. AND operator shows that whether both statements are true, then it returns true, and if both are wrong, both are false, then it returns false. And guys, the OR operator means if any one get true, then it will returns the value as true. And third one is guys NOT operator. NOT operator is used to reverse the output which have returned by compiler. Like if I use AND operator and if I got true, then if I use NOT operator before the AND, then it will get reverse. If I got true, then it will make it false. So the NOT operator is just to make reverse the given output. So if I get true, then if I add NOT operator, then it will get false. If I got false and I add NOT operator into that, so it will become true. So guys, let us see this throughout the programming. So guys, here is the simple program. I have initialized A as 10 and I have assigned B as 5. So here A variable contains the value 10 and b variable contains the value 5. So guys, now firstly let us do the arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operations are basic operations of mathematics, like adding two operands, left hand operands and right hand operands, or minusing, I mean subtracting two operands, left hand or right hand operand, and multiplying both operands and dividing both operands. Here division symbol returns the quotient. After dividing a and b, after dividing a with b, it will return the quotient. And the percentage symbol here which I used is, it is used to divide both operands, and after division it will returns the remainder. So guys, let us see the arithmetic operations output. So guys, a contains value 10 and b contains the value 5. So sum means 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 will be 15, and 10 minus 5 will be 5, and 10 into 5 will be 50. And if I divide 10 by 5, then it will get 5 2s are 10. So quotient will get 2. And after dividing 5 2s are 10, the remainder which I have got is 0. So that's why remainder is showing 0 here. So let us talk about the relational operator, guys. Relational operators are equal to. We use double equal to symbol to represent that both variable are equal or not. So here I am comparing a left hand operand with b right hand operand. So if the both are equal, then it will return 1 here. If this is not equal, then it will return 0 here. See, a is 10 and b is 5. So whether both are equal? Absolutely not. So it will gonna return us 0. So guys, second one which I am using is not equal to. It is exactly opposite of equal to operator. So if a is not equal to b, if a, which is the left operand, is not equal to b, then it will return true. And if it is condition got false, then it will return 0. So guys, whether if a is lesser than b, then it will return 1. If a is greater than b, if it got true, then it will return 1. A is lesser than b or a is equal to b, then it will return 1. 1 means true. And if a is greater than b or a is equal to b, then it will return true, which is 1. So guys, let us see the relational operators output. So guys, a means 10 and b means 5. So let us check the relational operators output. So guys, whether a is equal to b? Absolutely not. A has the value 10 and b has the value 5. So 10 and 5 are not equal, right? And I am using here equality operator. So if both are equal, then it will return 1. And here a and b both are not equal, so that's why it is returning 0. And second operator which I am using, relational operator, is not equal to. Not equal to is exactly opposite of equal to operator. So a is not equal to b. Is it true? A is containing value 10 and b is containing value 5. So yes, both are not equal. So this condition got true and the value returns 1. So guys, here the third operand which I am using is lesser than. A is lesser than b. So a is the value 10 and b is the value 5. So whether 10 is lesser than 5? No, absolutely not. So that's why it's returning 0. 0 means false. And the fourth operator which I am using is greater than. So whether a is greater than b means 10 is greater than 5. Yes, 10 is absolutely greater than 5. So it is returning as true. True means 1. So here I am using lesser than and equal to operator. So a is lesser than b. 10 is lesser than b. Is that true? No, it is not true. So it's equal to false. And the second condition, which is a is equal to b. So whether a is equal to b? No, 10 and 5 are not equal. So that is why it's returning 0. So guys, the last operator of relational operator which I am using is greater than equal to. So it is exactly opposite like lesser than equal to. See, if a is greater than b, a is 10 and b is 5. So yes, a is greater than b. It is true. That's why it's returning 1. And another condition, which is a is equal to b. So a is equal to b. No, it's not true. But the previous condition went true. So if any one condition out of this which get true, then it will return as 1. So guys, let us see the third operator which is logical operators. So as I have told you, there are three types of logical operator: AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. So AND operator, what AND operator will do? It will check the both. We can check two conditions here. two or more conditions here, so I am just checking two conditions here. So see, if a is greater than 5 and b is lesser than 10, then it will return as 1 means true. So a containing the value 10, so yes, 10 is greater than 5, and b which is 5 is lesser than 10, yes, it is true. So if both gets true, then it will return 1, so it will going to return as 1. And here the second one which I am using is OR operator. OR operator is used to check the conditions, and if any one condition gets true, then the output will also get true. So guys, the third operator which I am going to use is NOT operator. So what NOT operator will do is, in whichever conditions I am going to use the NOT operator, so the NOT operator will make it the output reverse. So see, if this condition got true, right, and if I use NOT operator before this, then it will get us the reverse of true, which is false. So guys, let us see this through output. And guys, this is the logical operator. A is greater than 5, 10 is greater than 5, yes, true, both are true, and that's why this is returning 1. And if any one get false, then it will return 0. So guys, a is greater than 5, a means 10, 10 is greater than 5, yes, and b is greater than 5, no, b is not greater than 5, but yeah, a is greater than 5. First condition gets true, that's why it is returning as 1. If any one condition out of this would get true, then it will return as 1 means true. So guys, the exactly same condition which I have given here, and I have applied NOT operator here. So you see, this condition went true. So what is the function of NOT operator? If it gets true, then it will make it false. Yes guys, if you add any condition and before that you add NOT operator, then it will gonna reverse the output. So guys, hope this will sum up and you have understood the operators of we are using in C, and that's what the video is guys. If you have any query or questions related to this video, please comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.